Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having some trouble removing, they're going to print this evidently, and this is the way to send it. I mean, they're showing me what to remove, but they can't just, I thought it was going to be easy. Well, you can just remove the outline. Well, remove that red or that black circle, and they might want to print that. So we can't just delete the outline because we got too many outlines. Now, find and replace is going to help us. I'm going to go to Edit, Find and Replace. The inside circle, let me ungroup this to kind of show you. The inside circle is a 0.5 millimeter, okay? I'm going to go to Edit Query, make sure everything's not checked except for outline property, double click on the text, the width, exactly 0.5. Say OK. Find all. Go up to Object. Convert the outline to an object. Now watch this. We can select it all, and we can left click no outline because that black circle is not an outline anymore. It's an object. I truly hope that was her question and hope that answered her question. And thank you for watching.